what is the interest? Interest quarterly. So what is my quarter interest? So for a year, my interest is 8.4%. So for each quarter, I would divide that value by 4. So it's 2.1%. So each quarter, my interest rate is 2.1%. Now I can write my amount available as 5,000 times 1 plus 2.1% to the power of 20. That will equals to, I need my CAS to help me. So I will write 5,000 times bracket 1 plus 2.1% is 2.1 over 100 to the power of 20. And I press Ctrl and Enter. I'll have this value, 7,576.78. So 7576.78. So the amount available after 5 years will be 7,576.78. Okay, we have this value here. Just have a check between the calculators and my answers. Okay, everything's good here. Let's have a look at question 4. Determine in which year and which month the amount of money will double if investing money on 1st of January 2016 using the compound interest formula at rate of 12%, let's say that's 12% per. So 12% per year. Okay, what I can write for that? I can write my amount of available will equals to P 1 plus R% to the power of T. So I don't know my P value now. My A should equals to P 1 plus 12% is 0.12 to the power of T. I want to find the T value. I want to find T, which gives A equals to 2P. Because I want to double my money. So A must be equals to 2P. I want to find the T value which can make A equals to 2P. So I can write 2P equals to P 1 plus 0.12 to the power of T. So I can cancel the P here. I can divide P on both sides. So 2 will equals to 1 plus 0.12 to the power of T. So again, I solve this in my CAS. I press menu, number 3, number 1, and 2 equals to bracket 1 plus 0.12, then to the power of T. Okay, so that's the formula we have. And I want to solve out the T, so I make that comma T. And I press Ctrl Enter because we want a round up value, not the exact one. So T equals to 6.1162554. So But my question is asking me in which year and which month, this can doubled. So it must be after 6 years. But how many months? 0.116 is how many months? I will copy this value down and minus this value by 6. I have this value, so it's the decimals. And I times this decimal by 12 because a year equals to 12 months. I want to see 0.11 year equals to how many months? And that equals to 1.39 months. So it's 1.4 months after like about 1.4 months. So let's count 2006, the start of 2006. So 2016. So after 1 year is the start of 2017. Okay, that's after 1 year, after 2 years, after 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, and 6 years. Okay, start of 2016, after 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, and 6 years. After 6 years is at the start of 2022. But I have another 1.4 months. After 1 month, will be the February of that. Okay, so from 1st of January after 1 month is at the starting of February of 2022. So in which year and which month this happens? It will be in 2022 February. Okay, so it's in 2022 February. 2016 after 6 years is at the start of 2022 January 1st. After 1 month, it will be start of February. Then after 0.4 months, it is still in the February. So the answer should be in 2022 February. Okay, that's all the working process. So we write up the formulas and we substitute the values in. We make A equals to 2p because we want to double that. So we have 2 equals to 1 plus 0.12 to the power of t. And I solve t by the calculator. I have t equals to 0.11 years. So that's 6 years and 1.4 months. 6 years and 1.4 months. So 2016, at the start of 2016, after 1 year is the start of 17, another year is the start of 2018. So after 6 years is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So after 6 years is at the start of 2022. So after 1 month is the 1st of February 2022, and then after 0.4 months, it's just several days, it's still in February. So in 2022 February, I will achieve that my money is doubled by the compound interest 12% per year. Okay, that's this question. Let's have a look at question 5. Okay, question 5. House prices are rising at 9% per year, and Zoe's flat is currently valued at 600,000. Determine a rule for the value of Zoe's flat, V, in n years. First of all, the variable is already set for us, so we must use the variable here. So V equals to the initial amount, which is 600,000, that times